Alright guys, this video is for help writing your reasoning. This is the area that students often need the most help with, so I tried to be really specific in how to improve your writing. Use this video and your reasoning should be excellent. Okay, so when you write reasoning, you need a scientific principle that explains the science behind the claim. So if you chose claim 1, are fat and soap the same substance? That question is asking you what scientifically makes two things the same or different. You should use this in your writing. Properties can be used to identify substances. If substances do not have the same properties, they cannot be the same substance. You might need to include more information about how boiling point, melting point, solubility, or whatever properties you talk about in your evidence are properties, but this will go a long way in your reasoning. For the second question, how does the amount of a substance affect its melting or boiling point? You should use this scientific principle. Properties are characteristics of matter that do not change when the amount of matter changes. Again, there might be more that you have to add, but these two little bits of reasoning will really help you improve your reasoning paragraph. Add this information to your reasoning, turn that paragraph back in on Google Classroom, and I'll regrade it and improve your score. Good luck!